Hey, what's up buddies, how are you? Hope you're fine now. So welcome back to another video about smooth love potion, guys. Smooth love potion is a profitable coin in the market because from the last 1 month a lot of people are only investing in the SLP coin. So in this video I'm talking about the smooth love potion, the latest update. Anyways, before starting this video, I request all of you to please right now subscribe, click the subscribe button. Very important for all of you guys. If you subscribe my channel, so I will give you a latest update about cryptocurrencies market, especially about SLP coin, which is very important for all of you. So subscribe now and never miss any update about crypto market. Anyways guys, let's start the video and let's go ahead. So guys, the latest price of the SLP in the market smooth love potion is 0.151145 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the smooth love potion. Furthermore guys, if you look the changes of the smooth love potion SLP coin, so guys, really complicated changes occur in the smooth love potion in the nowadays. Just look here guys, last 1 hour, I mean last 60-minute changes of the smooth love potion coin is going negative. Other side, last 1 day, I mean last 24 hours, changes of the smooth love potion is positive. So this means that in the last 24 hours, the price of the SLP coin becomes high. And the last 1 week changes of the smooth love potion SLP coin becomes negative, guys. Last 1 week changes is negative. So guys, really complicated changes occur. Sometimes price pumps, sometimes price jumps, and it is the last of month, so absolutely possibilities, higher possibilities that the price dumps, only decrease. There is a less possibilities that the price will to increase, guys. But guys, you know what I recommend for all of you, that please if the price changes become negative, so that's not mean then you decide to sell, guys. No, don't decide to sell, just hold, guys. Patience, absolutely patience is necessary in a crypto market. Patience is very important for all of you guys. Just hold, guys, and wait for the huge pump. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like, so subscribe now for more videos and updates.